Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you full Freshdesk ticketing system tutorial. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use Freshdesk ticketing system. Okay, so first you just have to simply go to any web browser and then type Freshdesk. So if you're looking for a software to help business manage your customer service, then this one is for you. So what you're going to do here is you have to click this try it for free, and then you have to simply sign up with your Google. If you have an account, just sign in. So all you have to do here is to connect your Google account to your Freshdesk. Okay, once done, you can now enter your company and your phone number. So let me enter my company first. So let's just say this one is a business. Let's just say this is a hotel. And then I can now add my phone number. And then after that, click try it for free. So basically, this is what it looks like. Welcome to Freshdesk. And then it will show you this. So here you have to select your industry. So let's just say travel. And then they will ask for how many employees are there in your company. So you can select from any of the option here. For example, 11 to 50. And then for this one, I'm trying customer service for the first time. So click the second one, tap next. Wait for a couple of seconds. And here it is. This is Freshdesk. Okay, so basically you can go and look for the dashboard. Here in the dashboard, you can see all the activities and the updates for the ticket or for any inquiries or problem. Here you will see unresolved, overdue, due date. Okay, so you can see everything here. The update here, tickets. You will see here the people who have submitted a ticket or people who have inquired to your business, to your hotel. You will see them right here. But as for now, no tickets, so I have to delete those tickets and we're going to create a new one for contacts, and then you can import contacts here. So this is an example. I'm going to delete this, but basically this is what it looks like if you have import contacts. Let's just say the contacts of your employees, your staff. So you will see it right here. And then for solution, then you can see here knowledge base, category, general, FAQ. This is where you're going to post articles. So for example, if you want to add FAQ here, or if you want to add something like most people ask you or ask about the hotel regulation, something like that, you can add it right here. For forum, this is where the people mostly, share about their thoughts and ideas. You can also add a topic right here. So just click this add topic and you can add topic right here, and people can share their ideas and thoughts about that topic, anything related to your topic. Okay, and then analytics. Well, analytics in Freshdesk is a powerful feature that allows to track, measure, and optimize customer support performance. Okay, so you can see it right here. But for this tutorial, let's focus first on solution. We're going to add an article here or questions that you mostly receive from the customer or clients. So you can put this or categorize this to FAQ or getting started. So if you tap this arrow facing down, this new article, you can click this new folder. So basically, you can just simply add a new folder right here, and then your category, okay, add a new category. And what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to add an article. Let's just say this question. I often receive this from my clients or customer. They often ask this one. So I'm going to create an article here. Let's just say this one for category FAQ. So do you offer flexible cancellation policies? Here is my answer to that. I can edit format here. Okay, bold, italic. Okay, I can also insert a link. Okay, everything is up to you, but actually this one is not necessary. As long as you have answered a question, then you can just publish this one. Okay, and then once you have added or edit the format here, you can now click save or you can now click publish. Okay, so you can also select hierarchy and add tags before you save and publish. So for example, I'm going to tap the select hierarchy. You will see here options. Okay, so let me tap this empty box. Okay, category, current portal, general, tap this one. Or you can also set a new category. For example, FAQ, select hierarchy. Okay, so here it is, general, FAQ. You can also add tags here, for example, refund, policies. Okay, everything is up to you. And then after that, you can now click save or you can now click publish. Okay, so you have added one FAQ here on your solution section. Now let's proceed to contact. So if you want to add your contact here, for example, your employees, your staff, or team members, all you have to do is to import or add them manually here, and then later you can just simply tag them or then select them as your agent who will solve the solution or ticket or problem. Okay, so tickets, there are no tickets here, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. So for example, I'm going to copy this and then open this to another tab. Let's just say I'm a client or customer. So I visit your portal, your Freshdesk ticketing system, and I'm going to submit a ticket. Okay, so I'm going to click submit a ticket right here. And then here, get in touch so I can, ask question or report an issue. So everything is up to you. But for now, I want to ask a question to your hotel, Aryan Hotel. Okay, so this is my question, and then I'm going to add my email address so that you can contact me anytime. And then here I'm going to add the question. Now I can edit my format here, but actually that one is not necessary. I can add a file, click attachment, and then submit. And as you, who is the owner of this Freshdesk ticketing system, then you will be notified that there is this one ticket notification from Ellie. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you go to your ticket section. Okay, so you have here the first ticket, and basically if you want to respond to this, then all you have to do is to click this, then reply. Then you can just simply reply to this person, to this client's question. But if you don't want to do that, if you want someone to do that for you, then basically you can just simply tag or add someone here, an agent. Select the agent that you want to respond to this concern, to this issue. You can also categorize this, so everything is up to you. But in short, this is how you receive or how you respond to a ticket. You can reply, you can answer it right away, or you can ask someone to answer this. So that's the good thing about adding contact to Freshdesk ticketing system. Okay, so if you go to dashboard, you will see here if the ticket has been resolved or if it's overdue or still it needs urgent respond or urgent action. So this is how easy it is to use Freshdesk. So from configuring ticket management processes to adding security features and integrations, Freshdesk provides comprehensive settings for managing your help desk and scaling customer support operations. Okay, so that's it. So if someone asks again, then you will be notified if there is a new ticket or if there is a problem. And all you have to do is to respond or let your staff or your members or employees answer this query or this report. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.